Hey people, so it's like I'm back with my videos, and I have to say this, of late I've been doing a bit of ordering on Amazon because you can't step out and all. So I got these earrings. Yeah, it's called from Gem Pro. That's the name of the company, and man, it's like what a collection. Like in terms of what happens is certain companies they package their product well, but the, the actual product may not be that great. But here it's like the packaging is very just ordinary, but such a cute right now probably in the photo it may not look so nice, but when you see it in real, these are jade stones, and it's a whole collection of different colors, jade stones, so you can change it according to your outfit. Awesome. Yeah, Gem Pro is the company because as you can see, I'm very fond of wearing all these crystals and stones and all of that. So I've kind of seen quite a few of these different companies, like I on Amazon, right? So certain places it's not good stuff, yeah, but this company Gem Pro is like they are like a pro in their field, so I can't recommend it enough, people. So try and find it on Amazon. It's called Gem Pro, and they have very reasonable, I mean fairly reasonable and amazing collection. So I'm so happy with these earrings. I can be admiring them all day. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.